All right, so we're going to take this expression right here, and we want to know which one it's equivalent to. And to do that, we got to simplify it. When we simplify letters and exponents, we have to make sure we add or subtract ones that are exactly the same letters and exactly the same exponent. I'm just going to write these in kind of a column and put the ones that are the same underneath each other. All right, 5j squared, 5j squared. These are different because it's different variables and different exponents. And then negative 2f squared. Okay, these three things are all different. I can't add and subtract all these. These are like apples and oranges and pineapples. Now, I'm going to write each of these under the ones that it matches up with. And also, I'm going to distribute this negative to each term. So negative jk squared. I'm going to find jk squared, which is here, but I got to make it negative because of the negative out front. 2f squared k, it goes here, and it's negative because of the negative out front. And then 5j squared, and it's negative. Now, if you notice, all of the letters and exponents are exactly the same for each column. So it makes it a little easier to add like terms or subtract like terms. All right, so 5j squared minus j squared, jk squared, is 4jk squared. 5j squared minus 5j squared is 0, so that goes bye-bye. Negative 2f squared k and negative 2f squared k is negative 4f squared k. And that turns out to be B.